Hi, I've got your plan open in my copy of Architectural 2018. I tried pony walls, and that didn't work. I don't, why, I don't know. I tried, let me show you. I tried using a wall covering, and that didn't work. Again, it should work. Either of those should work, but for some reason in this plan, they're not working. So what I came up with, let me switch to this elevation camera, is I just put it on there manually on this one wall section. And this is a custom backsplash. Move that polyline over a little bit. You can see I set it 60 inches from the footing. Now, let me show you how I did that. Let me show you in a perspective camera. That's what that looks like. Now, whether that's correct or not, that's just based on what I understand of your instructions. So we'll do this wall here. Okay, I'm going to close this camera. And we'll save that in case we want to come back to it. Now I'm going to do a new elevation camera. And it's a little bit tedious, but this is the only thing that I could get to work. We'll do an elevation camera perpendicular to the next wall. There it is there. You go to the cabinet tools, custom backsplash. Just draw a polyline. It comes in with the default material on it. That's not important. Well, I don't think it's important. We'll line it up with the bottom of the siding. I suppose you could set this up with its own default, but I'm just using the existing default. And there's your custom backsplash. Now I'm going to open it and click on edit, and I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, 11/16. And I'm going to select material. Actually, I'm not going to select material. I'm just going to click OK, and we'll use the eyedropper. Get this material and stick it on there. And now I'm going to take this. So you can only edit this succinctly in an elevation camera. You can probably edit it in an isometric camera view, but it's not as precise as if you use this. Now, you set it 60 inches from the bottom. Let's go to click on the dimension tool. Go from the footing to that. Click on the polyline. Well, okay. I don't think, yeah, I'm not dimensioning to the polyline. That's what the problem was. Get that on the edge of the, there we go. Now we click on this and then click on the dimension. Set it to 5 feet. Okay, didn't work. We'll try it again. 60 inches. Well, okay, it's being cranky. See if I can manually pull it down. It's kind of hard to do. There we go. I got it. Now we'll go back to the isometric camera. And there you are. Now, if this is not exactly what you were looking for, it's still adjustable. And it does work. You might play hob with your materials list a little bit, but most people don't use the materials list because the materials list just measures how you built the model, and most people don't know the software well enough to build a relationally correct model that will actually produce an accurate material list. But anyway, that's not what this tutorial is about. One thing I noticed is this roof plane over here. close this. Yeah, see, the roof plane doesn't belong there. Now, what's causing that? Usually it's out of alignment walls, one floor to the next, and there it is right there. If you turn on the reference display, which is over here in view, uh-oh, maybe it's a window. Where's that tool? I don't want the reference grid, I want the reference display. Maybe it's under tools. That's it, reference floors, reference floor display, F9. See, that roof plane is there because this wall is out of alignment with the basement wall. So I don't know if you have auto rebuild roofs on. Where is that? I don't use architectural all the time, so I use Cheap Architect Premier. They're set up a little bit. They're big brother and little sister kind of arrangement, but they are different, slightly different. And where's the roof tools? There it is. Yeah, auto rebuild roofs is on. Okay. So if I move this wall over here, you get it close, and you'll get this little indicator in the edit toolbar. This is the edit toolbar, by the way. See, it says edit over there, but you'd never see it if you leave it docked all the time. And we'll align that with the wall below. And then that should, with auto rebuild roofs on, it makes the roof plane go away. Okay, well that's it for Mr. Know-It-All. And I hope this helps you. Like I say, I tried Pony Walls first, no product. I tried well, let me show you. You open the wall, and there's an extra tab there for wall covering. I tried the wall covering, putting it on the exterior, and that didn't work. I don't like things that don't work, so I found something that did work. And you have to do each wall section a perpendicular piece at a time. So it'll take you a little while to do it, but at least you'll be able to do and control the appearance of the model like you wanted to. Okay? Thanks for watching.